Incident response is a challenge for most organizations, whether due to vulnerabilities or updates to software packages that have a negative impact on systems. Chef Courier helps organizations better address these incidents with its advanced orchestration capabilities. In this demonstration, we'll begin by running a compliance scan in Chef Automate to identify nodes that are running a version of Nginx which is causing issues with an application running on the system. The compliance profile used is looking for a version of 1.22.1, which is the desired Nginx build we need deployed across the fleet. Out of the 6 servers running Nginx, we've identified 4 which are running the later version of 1.24 rather than the desired version of 1.22.1. With this information, a Chef Courier job has been created. The job schedule is set to immediate, but if these systems required an update to happen during an off-hours maintenance window, the schedule could be set with a specific date and time. The 4 nodes from our compliance scan are defined using the Courier node identifiers. The tasks outlined within the job will first look for the installation of Nginx, and if found, will install Nginx version 1.22.1, enable Nginx, and start the service. First, making a connection to one of the 4 nodes, we can confirm that version 1.24 is installed. Running the job, and looking at the details of the running job, we begin to see the nodes going through the process of getting updated. Once all nodes have successfully run the job, we can confirm that the version has been updated to Nginx 1.22.1. Using the powerful orchestration capabilities in Chef Courier, organizations can now effectively address all types of incident response.